This is a guide on replacing a front display assembly on the HP Envy x360 model ES1023DX. To begin, shut down the computer and disconnect the power cord. This is the replacement part. It combines the LCD screen, a touch digitizer, and the touch controller. It clips into the back cover and is replaced as one piece. Use a plastic pick to pry off the display assembly from the top edge. Get the plastic pick to come around the right edge enough to reach the adhesive strips underneath. Use tweezers to catch the adhesive strip and remove it by pulling up. Do the same on the left edge. At this point, the front assembly should pop out easily and you can put it on the keyboard. Peel up the silver tape securing the video connector. Use a plastic pick to pop open the digitizer connector's securing counter lever and pull out the digitizer's flex cable. Peel off a bit of grounding tape from the LCD. Use a plastic pick to open the video connector's securing bracket and using both hands, slide out the video cable. Reattach a bit of silver grounding tape from the digitizer's controller to the LCD. Unclip the video cable from the guiding pins in the old assembly. Discard the old screen. This computer took a bit of a fall, and the left top corner of the display assembly is pushed in. We have a corner straightening tool, but first we need to clear the corner of the plastic underlay that is glued in heavily. Use a metal spudger to pry up the corner plastic. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out the corner plastic piece and set it aside. We're using an old iPad corner rounding vise. Simply clip it into the corner and use the attached screw to apply pressure on the corner. This will round out the corner so the new assembly can go in unobstructed. Put a piece of adhesive in the corner and replace the corner plastic backing. Take out the new display assembly and place it on the keyboard, aligning it with the video cable. Using both hands, gently slide in the video cable into the video connector and secure the connector's bracket, and secure it with tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Reattach a piece of grounding tape to the LCD. Pop open the digitizer connector securing counter lever and slide in the digitizer's flex cable. Close the counter lever. Secure all connector tape. At this point, the new display assembly can be tested. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Reconnect the power cable and turn the laptop on. As we can see, the startup graphics appear and we can finish the installation process. Place the display assembly back on the keyboard. We'll be using double-sided stretch adhesive to secure the new display assembly to the back cover. You can buy this adhesive on our site, LaptopScreen.com. Attach 2 strips of adhesive to the 2 plastic rails on the sides of the display assembly. Remove the blue film. Lift the display assembly and align it into the bottom edge of the back cover. Start clipping in the sides, the corners, and the top edge. Make sure the bottom edge is also clipped in. Remove the protective film from the new display. Reconnect the power cord, turn the laptop on, and we're done.